Hi guys. I'm in almost to like Elementaita, and this place is so beautiful. This place is called Pebbles Hotel, and it is the only hotel with the African culture. Like the seats. I'm tired. I was climbing the stairs and now. Okay, let's go back to the video. As I was saying, this place is so beautiful. Okay, they have created it like a place that you will wish to be. So as you can see the video, you can see the place, the way it look like. It is so beautiful. It gives you a relaxation mind. Look, that is a lake. As you can see, that is like Elementaita on above there. Yeah. Okay, sawa. Hakuna matata. As you can see, you can have a view. You cannot. As you can see behind of me. Okay, behind of me there is a conservation. So it's Sambo conservation. Okay, if you see in my other videos, you'll see that place. It's so beautiful, and imagine you can go to that place and for free you can see animals for free. Okay, we have place where they can pay. We have a gate, but when you use like this road behind, you just don't enter into the park. So you just walk. You just use the road. When you're driving through the road, you can see animals. You can have good pictures, good animals views on the road. Imagine being inside. It is so beautiful. Imagine you going there. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and continue supporting this channel by subscribing. And also, if you want to tip us, you can tip us on carlosambaka@gmail.com on PayPal. I'll see you. Thank you. So it is raining, and I'm getting rain on. So let me go direct to that water. Wow. Imagine that is on the top of a building. They have beautiful swimming pool. And then all that strict. I could have just made this video. Imagine this place. Having your view from this hotel. And it is not that expensive. It is not that expensive. Okay, I hope that music doesn't affect my video for restriction. Okay, for copyright of music, you know. African print, they are good. So you can book this place through our link. You can book through us, and we can show you the rooms. This place is so good. And they have a beautiful bed, beautiful bathrooms, an African bathroom. So guys, don't hesitate to visit one of these hotels when you come to Kenya. If you are in Kenya, then this is a place where you should get locked up. You need to get locked up here. I'll see you.